Zenitsu's probably dreaming of banging Nezuko. Oh shit, we're getting in all their heads. I thought we were just gonna get in Tanjiro's head. Are we get? Oh. Wait, I was joking about that. I was joking. He's dreaming of Nezuko. Nezuko's peach. Oh shit. Oh, we're gonna get a dirty dream now, man. He's about to wake up with a real mess. And I ain't talking about. Oh my gosh, she's talking. This is so weird. I forgot what she sounded like. I forgot what her mouth looked like. She is the cutest. Chantano better be in your. She has the fucking Nezuko eyes. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh, this is definitely a dream. He's not gonna want to wake up from that. Oh, he's gone. He's a goner. He's dying in this movie, isn't he? Oh, whoa. What's Inosuke dreaming of? Meat? Am I on acid? I'm pretty sure that was last week. I can't even imagine the fun that the artists had when they had to draw this. Like, you're gonna draw a train with legs, and Tanjiro as a raccoon. Don't you guys find it cute that Tanjiro and Zenitsu are in Inosuke's dream? Like, isn't that the cutest thing? Like, he loves them. And then you have the train with legs, and that's when you lose me. I didn't understand that. He's not smiling, I'm worried. Oh, this ain't a dream, isn't it? This is a nightmare. Nah, this is gonna hit me, man.
昔からああではなかった。鬼殺隊で柱にまでなった。なぜ？考えても仕方のないことは考えるな。
Oh hell no. Oh no.
千次郎は俺の情熱はなくならない。心の炎が消えることはない。俺は決してくじけない。
Don't use puns. Don't use flame puns. Not with me, please. He just heard his father say you're worthless. And look how he's acting to his little brother. This is something else, man.
寂しくとも。
Man, wow. Oh shit. I better not see a talking crow now. Wow, so these kids are within these dreams. And they have to maneuver their way through the dream to find the spiritual core to destroy these people. Bro, why can't you just kill them all in their sleep? Why do you have to go through all this? I know it's anime, but still. No, you won't. Because we have a movie. Don't you know you're in a movie right now? I feel like this guy's just as dangerous when he's asleep than when he's awake. I'm getting worried. You're not doing it. Yo, I told you he's just as dangerous when he's sleeping. It's those reflexes. He's still asleep right now, but his body's reacting to it. Oh my god, he ain't human! He ain't a human, man! Mrs. Tanjiro, how would you want to leave this dream? What is he gonna have to think about to leave this? He's gonna have to realize that this isn't real. Another kid that chose the wrong head. You should have joined Inosuke's head. You'd be in the minefield right now with Raccoon Tanjiro. You would have been fine. I wonder what Nezuko. Wait, Nezuko's not asleep. Oh my god! Wait. Oh shit! I wonder if that's gonna play into this. I feel like Nezuko's gonna wake him up. Like once he sees her. Yeah, yo, in broad daylight. Oh, I love that. I love little things like that. That was sick. His reflection is battling him. Yo! Tatakai! Tatakai! These kids are so innocent. That's why they don't belong in this world. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Y'all dead for a reason. Y'all wouldn't have survived. Oh my god, I was right. I was right. She ain't as... Her eyes. She's the cutest little thing ever, bro. You're gonna kill her. You're gonna choke her to death. No! No, 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 no. No, she's gonna... What the fuck was that? Tanjiro, you're on fire! Oh, shit. It's like he knows this isn't real, but it's still hard. Come on, Tanjiro, wake up, buddy! Don't tell me it's gonna take the whole movie for this dude to wake up. Oh my god, no. You know how strong you have to be to walk away from something like this? This shows his strength. Not his power, but like his willpower. Not his physical strength, but his mental strength. Man. Come on, Tanjiro, you got this, big boy. Fuck them kids. Nah, I shouldn't be making these jokes, bro. How do I joke in a time like this? Why am I trying to ruin this moment? This is beautiful. This is hard to watch, bro. Like growing with this character and seeing this, you don't even have to see season 1 to feel this. Wow, man. Of course, this is his spiritual core. I'm screenshotting this. This is my new wallpaper. Not this. Fuck you. Now that's a change of scenery. So we're back in Inosuke's dream. I swear, if we see Raccoon Tanjiro again, it's just gonna flip my mood like a switch. Oh my god. Oh, he's hungry. Oh my god. Oh, man, I hate these kids. Kill them. I wouldn't be fucking with Zenitsu when he's with Nezuko. No. Oh shit. Look at him. Oh my god. Yeah. Slice him up. Eat him. It's because it's a movie. We need to fill time. Don't you notice? Tanjiro's gonna be in this dream for 80% of the movie. I can tell you right now. Oh man, this studio went all out with this movie, bro. Oh no. Oh my god. I forgot about his dad. Yo, what was that? His dad's speaking through him through his dream. Yo, imagine he has to like kill his family to wake up. Like in order to wake up, you have to do the hardest thing imaginable. Imagine he has to go up to his family and slice their fucking heads off. This is insane, this scene. Oh my god, he has to like kill himself?